Hi friends, in today's world of fast internet, no one likes a slow loading website. Just like you. You want a fast loading website, you want the result just in clicks, just in flags. Similarly, everyone wish to have a fast loading website, and even Google ranks those websites which are having a wonderful speed. And if you are having a WordPress website, you have this authority to get a fast load website, because WordPress has many advantages of speed, like many plugins are available to improve the performance of your website. Today in this video I have a great plugin called Pref Matters, that is performance matters, you can say. So it is a lightweight WordPress performance plugin in fact, and it is going to improve your website speed in a wonderful manner, and you are going to be a lightning fast loading website after using this plugin. So slow WordPress sites have higher bounce rate and fewer conversions. The Pref Matters plugin was created by web performance geeks to speed up your site, and it has many advantages of using this plugin. So I will tell you in the summary. So you can have a easy dashboard, speed, lightweight, and frequent updates, compatibility, and all such features. And if we talk about the exact features what we are going to get after using this plugin, so it has quick toggle options, and you can see all the settings are here, and many more options like disable WooCommerce scripts and styles, disable XML RPC, add blank favicon, disable XML RPC, remove jQuery, migrate, disable REST APIs, and many much more settings are available. So script manager is here, and database optimization is giving an extra is of is a fast speed database, and lazy loading has been included, which decreases the load times by 33%, it has been said. And so you can even change the login of WordPress URL. I mean, it can be a safety measure as well. So you can change the WP admin with something else if you need this. And CDN rewrite, host Google Analytics locally, add code to header, body, and footer. Preloading resources are here, defer and delay JavaScripts, and there are many much features which are going to improve your website speed, of course. So in this video we are going to install and preview these options for a website. I have a demo website with me. I was using this demo website. This is an e-commerce website with Unero WordPress theme. This Unero WordPress theme is available on the WP Themes website as well. I am giving the link of this theme and even this plugin, in fact for plugin, where you can get the theme and this plugin particularly. So just follow the link given in the description of this video, and I am going to install this plugin called Pref Matters, and I have this plugin with me. That is version 1.7.1, and I got this plugin in a zip folder, and I unzipped this and I got these contents, and I am going to install this plugin at my WordPress installation. I am going to the dashboard for this, and clicking on add new plugin, and I have to upload plugins, choose file, and here we need to choose the pref matter.zip file. So I am simply choosing this Pref Matters version 1.7.1.zip. and now install now. It may take 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait and let it be completed. And even you can upload this plugin directly to your WordPress hosting in the WP content plugins folder, but I am just uploading the plugin using the WordPress interface. Just in case it gets failed, I will use that second method. Okay, so plugin has been installed, and my visitors, YouTube visitors, always message me to ask questions, and I believe you have already subscribed this channel if you are a first time visitor of this channel, because I am going to always give you the better things for making better WordPress and better internet. So now the plugin has been installed, and now we can activate the plugin. And after that we will see what options we got after installing this plugin. This is the Pref Matters plugin with us now, and this is professional version, pro version. So you are going to get this pro version on the WP Themes website. Link has been given in the description, and these are the settings which I am going to show you what we have. This is options, and in options this is general option: disable emojis, disable embeds, disable XML RPC, remove jQuery, migrate, hide WP version, remove something like this. I don't know what is letting me, and it is remove WL WM. Okay, it is some many fast. So Windows Live Writer, it is okay. Remove RSD link, remove short link, disable RSS feeds, remove RSS feed links, disable self pingbacks, disable REST API, disable REST API links, disable desk icons, disable Google Maps, disable Google Fonts, disable password strength meter, disable comments, remove comments URL, disable heartbeat frequency, limit post revision, auto save interval, change login URL. These are the settings available and under the options general tab, and I am now clicking on the lazy loading. Under general options, this is lazy loading. It is for images we can toggle either iframe and videos, YouTube preview, thumbnails. Okay, it is good. So it is useful for me and my website as well. And DOM monitoring. DOM is so for real time watching, in fact. And this is WooCommerce, the disable scripts, disable cart fragmentation. It is important because e-commerce get slow with this cart fragmentation, and we can disable this. And remember, you have to toggle and check your website again and again after enabling one by one these features. It may impact your website, of course, so you have to keep vigil what are the impacts of these settings before you finalize this setting. And of course you can check by in another browser which has no caching system, I mean in private browsing. Okay, so disable visits and also features are here. These are the general options. Now the CDN tab, and we can use CDN rewrite, CDN URL. Some CDN provides particular URL, so this is useful in that case. And included directories, CDN exclusion. And now we can move to Google Analytics. Okay, so enable Google local analytics, tracking ID, tracking code position, and a header by default. A script type, disable display features, anonymize IP, track logged in admins, adjust bounce rate, CDN URL, use monster insights, enable AMP support. And some extras are here. Add blank favicon, add header code, and it is general under extras. And assets are here. So asset In assets we have scripts manager, Java scripts, include jQuery and all such things. Preloading is here, so we can have a preloader, customized preloader if we need to have on our website. This is database. It is also a broad setting, and it is we have to be careful while using this feature. And this is post revision, auto draft, trashed post, spam comments, trashed comments, expired transits, all transits, tables, optimized database, scheduled optimization. Okay, so it is database. It is for database optimization, and some tools has been given. So clean, uninstall. Just in case we uninstall this plugin, it will clean. Accessibility mode, purg, meta options, export setting, import setting, and that's it in extra. And license is here, so it is for you only, and you can get this plugin. License is there. So I have shown you. Okay, so somehow my internet got disturbed, and just a moment. Okay, so I shown you all the settings available under the Perf Matters plugin, and where it is now. I am looking for the settings. Okay, it is under settings. Perf Matters is here, so you can toggle all these settings and check the impact of speed on your website using Pingdom tools, or you can use GTmetrix or so. So these are the major speed checkers, and you can even use the webpage test.org. These three websites are very important, and you can check and take benefits of this Perf Matters WordPress theme, which is basically for speed up your website. And now I believe you are going to get a wonderful speed website. You may have some question regarding this plugin. Don't hesitate in writing in the comment section of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can interact directly with me. Thanks for watching, and wait for next great plugin. Thank you.